How to cancel or pause a project on People per Hour. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel or pause a project on People per Hour. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your buyer dashboard, just like I've done here. And so once you're on your buyer dashboard on your People per Hour account, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner where you can see the profile icon and click on it. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you will see options like post offer, dashboard, profile, buyer activity, freelance activity, etc. And sure you click on buyer activity. By clicking on buyer activity, you'll be brought to your project page, okay, where you will see the details about your project, the project that you've posted, the project that you've been awarded, the projects in progress, your pending project, and then the paid out project. And so the next step will be for you to go to the project in progress. All right, there you will see projects that are still in progress, and then those are the ones that you can pause. So once you're there, locate the exact projects that you would like to pause. All right, so once you found the exact project that you'd like to pause, you'll see the button pause. You see the pause button on the project. Just click on it. Then some prompts will be displayed to confirm that you want to pause the project. Follow these prompts and then the project would be paused automatically. That is how you can pause a project. Then to cancel a project is the same procedure. Just navigate your way to the top right corner of the screen, click on your buyer activity or the buyer activity page under your project. Go to the exact project that you'd like to cancel. Mostly it will be the project that is still in progress. All right, so click on that and then select the exact project that you'd like to cancel. By clicking on the project, you'll be taken to the project listing page and then you'll see the cancel button. Click on that, and once you click on cancel, the project will be cancelled, and then the action will notify all freelancers who have sent you proposals. Okay, and then the project will be cancelled automatically. So that is it. This is how you can cancel projects on People per Hour. Thank you for watching and have a good day.